Where's the suspect? In that.
Nobody has a weapon.
Nobody has a weapon right here. Nobody has a weapon.
Nobody
Okay.
has a weapon.
Nobody has a weapon.
The weapon is the
Okay. Where's the? It's gonna hurt. Okay, go ahead and have a seat in the cruiser for me.
I guess somebody got shot out here.
Okay,
White
who got
male.
shot?
White male.
No, the white male shot him.
Oh, the white male shot
Shot
him.
a little black guy.
Shot a black guy.
Okay, what's the male white look like?
What did he
He
look
was
like?
kind of heavy set. He had a
Okay,
beard.
can I talk to her instead of having you tell her?
I'm sorry,
tell
he's
me?
kind of heavy set. He's heavy
what's he
set. He
wearing?
has a beard and a mustache. He's wearing dark colored clothes. He was just on the phone talking to somebody saying, I just shot this nigga. The black guy is on the ground. He's a little skinny guy. I'm looking, I don't see where the kind of chunky guy was. But he's a white male about 5'8".
Some guy just got shot right in front of my house.
Okay, did you see the person who shot him?
Not right now, but he's in the parking lot. He's calling someone to get a car to come pick him up.
Okay, what's going on there?
We just heard somebody yelling there like he just shot him, and he's on the floor screaming like, he gonna kill me, like he don't want to die.
Okay, all right. So, was the suspect white, black, Hispanic, or other race? Do you remember what he was
He's
wearing?
black. He's black. He got a black shirt on, and so he's like light skinned, kind of.
Whitehall, I think. Somebody got shot and burned
Yes.
outside.
Over off Stone Ridge? Do you see who got shot or who shot him?
No, I was in the crib chilling. I heard a gunshot, looked at my girlfriend, and we waited, and we heard somebody screaming. So we went outside, and bro limping around.
Where'd the suspect go?
He's there.
He's there.
And he's here.
Where's the suspect? In that.
Nobody has a weapon.
Nobody has a weapon right here. Nobody has a weapon.
Nobody
Okay.
has a weapon.
Nobody has a weapon.
The weapon is the
Okay.
tape. It's nowhere amongst people.
140 multiple
I don't know
43As
what the fuck
just
that is.
west of our location.
I
They're
don't know
still
what
going. Hey, hold on, man. Okay, I get that.
He shot.
I have to secure the scene first.
Okay.
Hey, hold on, man. I'm gonna help you out, okay? 140, you can send in the medic. Hold on, man. Where'd you get shot? I gotta put gloves on real quick. What's your name?
Marlon Moore.
Marlon?
Yeah.
Okay. Just stay still for me, Marlon, okay? I'm gonna put a tourniquet on. It's gonna hurt like hell. I'm gonna warn you. Okay?
Nothing about this is a game. Nothing about life is a game. It's not funny. People get hurt over stupid shit.
Where's the... It's gonna hurt. It's gonna start hurting, just letting you know. It's gotta cut off the circulation. You can't breathe? We got the medics on the way, just lay back for me, man. 140, tourniquet applied. I should be good. Did you see anything?
No.
Okay. You know who did this?
40, you got a suspect description or DOT?
You got a suspect. Did you see who did it? You know who did it?
You gonna say something?
Not yet.
You gonna say something?
Yeah, what's up? What happened?
I was the shooter.
You were the shooter?
I was the shooter.
Okay, go ahead, put your hands behind your back. Here, hey, sweet, hold his hand.
I'm not resisting.
I know, but
because they're gonna want it. It's in my car.
Don't touch it, man. Don't touch it. Please.
Where is it?
I know you're not resisting.
We know you're not resisting.
Where is it at in my car? On the door? On the passenger side? Driver door? Thank you.
Hey, secure that car. It's got the 40. It's got the 33 in it.
Driver door.
Go ahead. Follow me to 140. On this side. Hang out there for me.
144, there's still multiple 43As to the west of us.
Stay here. I gotta search you real quick.
144. How far do you think they are from you?
Okay.
Those are my keys.
Spread your feet for me. Okay. Go ahead and have a seat in the cruiser for me. I know it's a little tight. I tried to help you out with the double cuffs. $140 suspects in my vehicle.
Bring that cruiser over here, Craig.
Hold his hand.
Yep.
I'm not resisting. I know.
Hey, where's your,
But-
where's your, because they're gonna want it. It's in my car.
Don't touch it, ma'am. Don't touch it. Nope, please.
Where is it?
I know
at
you're
in
not
your car?
resisting.
We know you're not resisting.
Where is it at in my car? On the door? On the passenger side? Driver door? Thank you.
Hey, secure that car. It's got the 40. It's got the 33 in it.
Driver door.
It's there. It should be on the door. Babe, it's not on the door.
Oh,
It's
right
okay.
in the middle.
It's okay.
It's in the middle.
What's the story with the gun?
Okay, we called. I'm not gonna touch these. Okay. My kids are in the car.
144, there's still multiple 43As to the west of us. Medics are almost here, okay?
Okay. 142.
Are you shot in the
How far do you
Are you
think
shot in
they
the foot? Okay, okay. Just stay with me. Stay with me. He got the tourniquet on you. Stay with me. Medics are right here. I'm gonna start asking you your name and stuff like that because the medics are gonna need that, okay?
Marlon Moore.
I'm sorry.
Marlon Moore.
Can you spell it for me?
All right. Hit lower right leg, turn it started wide. Hang on. Hold on. Bring a cop to you.
Hold on, Marlon. Less work for you, okay?
Just the one.
Yeah. I'll say if you want, we can fuse the engine, guys. We've got
we'll use
162. Hey, watch your step right there. All right. Here, just sit on my 162. Right there, right there.
That's received by 162, the service on the scene. That's not, I didn't copy your traffic, you're beating. 162.
Do you know where you're headed yet?
No, I'm. Oh, 823.
DFD synthetic 823 is going to have one stable at Mount Carmel Beach. 144 will be following. Got me one stable Mount Carmel Beach.